The smash hit's greatest thrills and scares relied heavily on sound, or as the title suggests, the lack thereof. The film's sound team, consisting of Brandon Jones, Ethan Van der Rijn, and Eric Adol, had to get really creative for the film's monsters. Crab legs were used to capture their crackling footsteps. A combination of celery and lettuce was used for when a monster's ear would open wide. But nothing tops how they created the echolocation noises. The team used a stun gun and shocked a patch of grapes. After recording that sound, they edited it and slowed it down so you could hear each individual click.